My name's Matt Jones. I'm a Spitfire pilot here at Goodwood. The idea for the challenge came from 416.com. So this was an opportunity in my eyes and clearly in 416's eyes to bring two British icons together at an airfield that has phenomenal British history.
I'm Mike Cross. I'm Chief Engineer, Vehicle Integrity at Jaguar Land Rover. I think it's a fabulous idea. To my knowledge, nobody's ever raced a car against an aeroplane off-road, and it's certainly a first for me, so I'm really excited.
I'll be flying the Vickers Supermarine Spitfire TR9 with a V12 Merlin engine, dual stage, dual speed supercharger, producing 1750 horsepower.
The new Range Rover Sport we've got today is completely standard. It's a V8 with a supercharged engine, so 510 horsepower. Wheels and tyres are completely standard, so the car's not modified at all. What I've got to do today is accelerate from a standing start at one end of the runway, go as fast as I can before the other end, stop, turn around and accelerate back to where I started from, and hopefully get back there before the aeroplane does.
I think Mike's expectations are for me to just turn as tightly as I possibly can to get back to the runway. I'm not 100% sure quite what I'm going to do yet. I've got a few ideas, and as we get closer to the start of the race, I'll make that decision. But I might have something up my sleeve.
Hi guys, Mike, hi. Well, I'm here as the clerk of the course today, I guess. I'm here to make sure you know the route and you know the objectives.
To win.
Absolutely. So all the very best of luck for this fantastic 416 challenge today at Goodwood.
I've never heard of Spitfire, so that's going to be great, sitting in the car, hearing the Spitfire right next to me.
The aeroplane is extremely noisy, and I wouldn't want to put him off. Maybe I would.
Because the runway is quite bumpy, I'm going to select dynamic mode. That sharpens up the responses of the car. I'll probably manage 120 miles an hour.
Goodwood is 101.
I don't know who's going to win. I really hope we do, but I've no idea.
28 Charlie Alpha.
Well, the Spitfire has pedigree, and I'm flying it, and I feel I'd be letting people down if I didn't at least go into the race thinking I was going to win. Best of three.
Okay,
Tomorrow morning.
tomorrow morning.